This is how to create a beautiful professional profile picture for your social media, for business, for jobs, for resumes, etc. Welcome. This is Areweshola Akinjide Samuel, also known as Coach Sam Are. Why do you need this kind of pictures? One, it improves your perception, the way people perceive you online, and it creates awareness for your brand and identity. I believe you've been scrolling through some profile pictures, you see nice looking profile pictures, and you actually want it, but you don't know how they do it or how they get it, or you are not even ready to pay any designer to do that. I have got you covered today. So many people charge for this, but I will show you for free. The first thing we are going to be doing is to go to our Play Store. You go to our Play Store, just rush down to your Play Store. This is my Play Store here. Click on it and type this word Photoroom and search. Now you can see this is how the app look like, and then you see the name there. So immediately you get it, you just install it. Mine said I should update, but there is no need. So just install your own and go to the app. The app will now look like this on your phone. Here, Photoroom. Now click on it, and then when it comes to this interface, you see start from photo. So click on that, start from photo, and look for the photo you want to use. It's like I'm seeing one here. Let me just click that. All right, so it will scan through your picture. When it's true, it will scan through your picture. And please let me say this app is actually, it has paid and free version. Now if you want the free version, it will do the work anyway, but it may leave watermark at the end. But there is a way you can just crop it on your phone. But if you want paid premium apps like this and some other ones that will not have any kind of watermark, you can reach me. The link will be in the description. But so when you go through like this, you will get to this point where you will see profile pics here, then click on see all so that you can see the whole thing that is going to show for you. Now you have countless here. You can pick whichever one you like. Now I've used so many of them, but for the sake of this tutorial, let me just pick this number 2. All right, now the thing you want to note here is that the head, probably you want it to be at the middle, or if it's fine like that for you, okay. But if you want it to be at the middle, just click on it, and you have grace to drag it down. Now can you see, you can drag it down to the center of the frame, and that is it. You can insert text, but I think there is no need. When you are through doing that, click on this share button here, share. So click on it, and then it will come to this side. Then click on save to gallery. Can you see save to gallery here? Save to gallery, click on it, and your picture will be saved. When you're through, just come up a bit and click on done at the top right hand here. Click on done. That is how this is done. In the next maybe 1 minute at most or 2, it should reach your gallery, and then you can use it on your profile anywhere, either Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or whatsoever platform you want to use it for. Now let me go to my gallery now and check for the picture. Just go to your gallery, look for Photoroom, look for Photoroom here. Okay, can you see? This is Photoroom. This is it. Nice picture anyway. So this is how to do that. I believe you enjoyed this valuable video. I'm sure you do. So if you do, please don't forget to like, share, make a comment. If you are a returning subscriber, please do all this. But if you are our new friend here, today is your first day of coming to our channel, please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that YouTube can update you immediately we release these valuable videos that talk on entrepreneurship and business, sales and marketing, and every other thing that make your journey a success online. We will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.